Okay, hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing. This is from a new brand that I reached out to because I saw somebody I followed unbox this. I was like, I need that in my life really right now. So I was like, I'm gonna DM them. They were like, cool, okay, let me send you stuff right away. I was like, wow, I thought I wasn't even gonna get accepted real quick. So this is from the brand YourEmfShield. It looks like this. So oh, they gave me like a code anyway, so y'all can use it. I'm not gonna use it probably, but this is the little box that it comes with. It's so sleek, so pretty. Oh yay. So look how cool this is. This is a pendant or a necklace, and you use this, somebody commented, okay, you use it whenever you use your phones, your tablets, your TV, computer, everything electronic that you use on the daily. You're supposed to wear this necklace so it can, help you and not make you get sick with all the radio waves, the radioactive, what is that called? Those things like the 4G, 5G, all of that gives you cancer and makes you sick in the long run. Like you get headaches if you're on the TV for a long time, or like your phone. And if you work at home or you're a content creator and you do a lot of editing, a lot of filming, you're always on the screen, and then you're always using technology and all that. So over the years, oops, it fell. It's not good for your health. Let me open it. So, right here. Obviously, I had to get it because I'm always on the phones or TV. I'm always on with screens, I'm always near them because I have to eventually. Obviously, in this day and age, it's not like the old times where they didn't have to worry with all of that. So, okay, so since this fell. It came like this, right? And then in the bottom it came with this card and this necklace, what's that called, holder? No, necklace, the string that you attach your pendant in. I thought it was gonna come in attached already, but apparently not. So there's a cool little card. So it says it's certified. Basically that's what it says. So it's an authenticity card, like it's right there. So and then I also came with this gel thing which I don't know why I showed you. Nobody cares, so yeah. Let me try and install it right now and use it and see how it looks on. But let me do a close-up of this first. So I chose the rainbow color, which is this cool purple, blue, green, neon duochrome color look. They had different colors. They had gold, black, silver, they like a rose gold. They had a boring adult colors. I'm still like a kid. Like I love my rainbow stuff. So obviously this is the one that I got. So it looks pretty nice. Oh, it says Japanese technology. I guess they made it there. Like I said, I don't know if this actually works. Supposedly it does. So there was different size. There was this side, I forgot the actual size, but this one and the bigger one. Obviously I got a smaller one because if I'm gonna plan on using it every day, I'm not trying to wear a big old one. This one is easy to hide and easier for me. I'm petite, so I don't need a big humongous necklace. I prefer small dainty ones, so I hope this works just as great as the big one. I hope, because oh my gosh. So, and then this is the like thingy that it comes with that I need to try and install. I don't know how. I'm not good at these things. That's what men are for. I'm just kidding. Because they're good at building stuff. That's not our thing, alright? we're more mental. So anyway, so I keep sneezing. Oh, what the frick? I thought this was gonna be, hold up, Oops, I'm so clumsy. Everything always falls. Not a hair. I don't know how to stick this. They didn't give me an instruction manual, so I don't freaking know how to do this. So look, how am I gonna stick this? It's because there's literally not an open class. There's nothing, and this comes like how am I gonna stick this here if it's closed, kind of thing, you know? How am I gonna get help? Someone help me. How can I do this? Literally, they didn't give me anything. I guess I'll figure it out later or ask someone to help me. But imagine if it's not legit. And it's just for decoration, but anyway, so this is a quantum scalar energy pendant, and it's made from natural minerals that are fused and bonded together at a molecular level. Alright, I'm not gonna read all that, but basically it promotes positive flow of energy, and it helps to restore your energy that has become weak in the body. And what else? And it maintains that energy balance, and it helps to maintain health and well-being. Like I mentioned, it's good for your health supposedly. So it has like a lot of health benefits. Look, all of these, which I'm not gonna read everything, but it basically, wow. So yeah, like the preventing electromagnetic waves from affecting one's health, which we're all around. Even when we're outside, like the buildings outside have all of those electromagnetic waves from the Wi-Fi and all that, in restaurants, everywhere. You're literally not safe unless you live in the woods. So yeah. And what else? It's kind of cool. So it enhances like your blood circulation, your immune system, everything. Literally your DNA even from damaging. That's interesting. I didn't know all of this. I just knew about the electronic wavelength and all of that. So it's way too small so y'all can read it, and that's basically me right there. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna try and fix it and maybe give you an update on how it looks. But it kind of looks like a Mardi Gras necklace that you get in like from the parades that they throw at you. So it kind of looks tacky, to be honest, to be wearing it every day. But I mean, if it helps with your health, then I guess it's worth it, you know. But I guess so they're gonna think you're cool. Imagine I started trend, everybody wears this now. Okay, huh? Yeah, that's pretty much it. So bye, thanks for watching.